Next question 21. The number of prime numbers which are less than 100 each. Next question 21. The number of prime numbers which are less than 100. The prime number, the starting prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7 up to 97. This is 25. Is counting the 25. The correct option are B. Next question 22. The cost of a diamond varies directly as the square of its weight. A diamond broke into 4 pieces with their weights in the ratio of 1:2:4. If the loss in total value of the diamond was 17,000 rupees, what was the price of the original diamond? Original price, let original price, the original price of diamond, original price of the diamond, the original price of the diamond is W square. W is weight of diamond. W is weight of diamond. According to question, next W square upon 100 plus 4 W square upon 100 plus 9 W square upon 100 plus 16 W square upon 100 is W square minus this, which is equal to 17,000 rupees. And this solve, W square is equal to 1 lakhs. Is correct option is A. Next question 23. In a race 100 meter, race, A runs at a speed of 5/3 meter per second. If A gives a start of 4 meter to B and still beats him by 12 seconds, what is the speed of B? A, this speed is 5/3 meter per second, and B goes 8 to 4 meter, and this distance is 96 meter. And this speed is, suppose that x meter per second. A is the covering of 100 meters is. The time of t is equal to 100 into this speed 1/5/3. This is the time is equal to distance upon speed formula. This 100 into 3 upon 5. This and this here cancel. 60 seconds. The cover of the 100 meter A is 60 seconds. B. The cover of 96 meter is 60 plus 12 seconds or 72 seconds are the cover of the 96 meter. meters. Therefore, the speed of B is equal to distance upon time. Distance this is equal to 96 times 72. This solve 4 upon 3 meter per second. The correct option of C. The correct option. Next question. Next question 24. If 50 men takes 21 days of 8 hours each to do a piece of work, then what is the number of days of 6 hours each that 21 women would take if 3 women would do as much work as 2 men? This equation. This question is used for MDH formula M1 D1 H1 upon W1 and M2 D2 H2 upon W2, where M1 and M2 are number of minutes, D1 D2 are number of days, H1 H2 number of hours, and W1 W2 are work. Where 50 men into 21 days into 8 hours work for 1, which is equal to 21 women into 6 days into 6 hours, and suppose that each day is working for 1. According to question, 3 women is equal to 3 women is equal to 2 men. 3 women would do as much work as 2 men. 3W is equal to 2M. 3W is equal to 2M. 7 into 3 into 7W, this is equal to 14 M into 6 into X, 15M, 21 into 8. Therefore, X is equal to M and N cancel. 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, and 3 2 ja 15 men into 21 into 8, which is equal to 28. 1W into 6 into X. According to question, 3W is equal to 2N. Used for 3W is equal to 2N. 3W into 7. 3W is equal to 2. This is equal to 14M into 6 into X. This and this are cancelled. 3 2 ja 6 and 3 3 cancel. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. This is equal to 30 days. This correct option. This is the correct option of D. Now next question 24. Now this question 25. What number must be subtracted from both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction 27 upon 35 so that it becomes 2 by 3? This is a optional question. 27 upon 35. Subtraction, numerator and denominator. Option D, 11 minus 11, this is equal to 26 divided by 24. This and this are cancelled. 30. 16 upon 24. 16 upon 24. This 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja this 2 by 3. This the correct option is D. 26. Next question. 26. A sum of 8,400 was taken as a loan. This to be paid in 2 equal installments. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, compounded annually, then the value of each installment. So then the first installment x upon 1 plus 10 upon 100 plus next x upon 1 plus 10 upon 100 whole square. This is equal to 8,400. This is the calculation x which is equal to, this is the correct option of C, 4,840. This calculation. Now finding the value of x is equal to 4,840 rupees. This option of correct is 27. Lalita got married 6 years ago. Today her age is 1/1/4 times her age at the time of her marriage. Her son's age is 1/10 times her age. What is the present age of her son? This question 27. Lalita series. Lalita son 6 years ago. Suppose that x present age x plus 6, son's age x plus 6 upon 10. According to question, x plus 6 age 1/1/4, 5/4 times of 6 years ago. This solution x 6 is equal to 5/4x minus x is equal to, this solution is 1/4x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 24 years. Therefore the son's age is equal to 24 plus 6/10 is equal to 30 divided by 10, 3 years. The correct option is C. Question 28. A and B working together can finish a piece of work in 12 days, while B alone can finish it in 30 days. How many days can A alone finish the work? A alone finish the work this formula, x into y upon x difference y, which is equal to x value is equal to 30 into 12 divided by 30 minus 12, which is equal to 30 into 12 upon 8, 1, 6, 3 ja 18, 6 2 ja 16, this and this is cancel, this is equal to 20 days. A alone finish the work is 20 days. The correct option is B. Now next question. Next question. (29). The value of x which satisfies the equation 5 to the power 1 plus x plus 5 to the power 1 minus x is equal to 26. 5 break 5 to the power x plus 1 upon 5 to the power x is equal to 26. This inverse is 1 upon 5 to the power x. Put 5 to the power x is equal to t, 5 t square plus 1 divided by t is equal to 26. 5 t square plus 5 minus 26t, this is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. We solve with factor method. 5t square minus 25t minus t plus 5, this is equal to 0. 5t t minus 5 minus t plus minus 5, this is equal to 0. T minus 5 5t plus minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore t is equal to 5 and 1 upon 5. This relation 5 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power 1, x is equal to 1, and 5 to the power x is equal to 1 upon 5, this is equal to 5 to the power minus 1, this implies that x is equal to minus 1. So therefore the solution of relation x is equal to 1 minus 1. It's a correct option A. Now next question 30. If 5 men can do a piece of work in 10 days and 12 women can do the same work in 15 days, the number of days required to complete the work of 5 men and 6 women each. This question is the same question 24. And now next question 30. If 5 men can do a piece of work in 10 days and 12 women can do the same work in 15 days, the number of days required to complete the work of 5 men and 6 women each. This question is the same question 24 and 30. The solution of the MDH formula. Use the MDH formula. 5 men 10 days. 5 men 10 days is equal to 12 women. 12 women into 15 days. This relation is 5 cancel. 5m, this is equal to 5 3 ja this and 2 5 ja this and 2 6. 18 omen. 5 men is equal to 18 omen. Therefore, 5 men plus 6 omen into x. 5 men plus 6 omen complete the work in x days. Therefore, this relation is equal to this relation 12 omen into 15 omen, the same piece of work in 15 days. 5m is equal to 18w. Use the 5m is equal to 18w plus 6w into x, which is equal to 12w into 15. This and this plus is 24w into x is equal to 12w into 15. This and this cancel, this 2. Therefore, x is equal to 15 upon 2 is equal to 7 whole 1 upon 2 days. The correct option is A. Question. Next. 31. A passenger train departs from Delhi at 6 p.m. from Mumbai at 9 p.m. and express train whose average speed exceeds that of the passenger train by 15 km per hour leaves Mumbai for Delhi. Two trains meet each other mid-route. At what time do they meet? Given that the distance between the cities is 1080 km. The solution: Delhi and this Mumbai. This train, suppose that 6 km per hour start from 6 p.m. and this train is 9 p.m. and this speed is x plus 15 km per hour. Time at point A, time 9 p.m. This travel from 6 to 9 p.m. is 3x kilometer from Delhi, and the distance between the A and B station is 1080 minus 3x, and this is the mean point C. This is 540 kilometer, mid station of C. The mid time T is equal to 1080 minus 3x upon the relative speed 2x plus 15. This is equal to 540 kilometer traveling from the 9 p.m. at Mumbai to x plus 15 kilometer per hour. This relation is x square plus 15x minus 2700, this is equal to 0. Now this solution of the relation, therefore x is equal to 45 kilometer per hour. 45 kilometer per hour. Therefore, the time t is equal to, with the time t is equal to 540 divided by 45 plus 15, which is equal to 540 divided by 70. This and this is cancelled. Now this 9 is 60. 6 9 ja 54. Then time meet is A and B to 9 plus 9 PM plus 9 hours. This is equal to 18 PM. This minus of 12 PM is equal to 6 AM. This meet time of the Delhi and Mumbai at 6 AM. This correct answer is D. 32.
शाम का अपॉइंटमेंट दिया.
In a class of 49 students, the ratio of girls to boys is 4:3. If 4 girls leave the class, the ratio of girls to boys should be. Therefore, this the girls is equal to number of students 49, sum of the ratio 4 plus 3 into 4, which is equal to 28 girls, and boys be equal to 49 minus 28, this is equal to 21. If 4 girls leave the class, next new girls in minus 4, which is equal to 28 minus 4 is equal to 24. Therefore, the ratio of the girls and boys 24 ratio 21 is equal to 8 ratio 7. The correct option B. Now next question 33. If A plus B is equal to 5, A plus B is equal to 5 and A into B, this is equal to 6, then what is the value of A cube plus B cube? Heat and trial method. The product of A into B is equal to 3 into 2 and sum of this product is 5. A plus B is equal to 5. Therefore, A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2, or A is equal to 2 or B is equal to 3. Therefore, A cube plus B cube is equal to 3 cube plus 2 cube, which is equal to 27 plus 8. This is equal to 35. The correct option of A. Now next question 34. Rajendra bought a mobile with 25% discount on the selling price. If the mobile cost him 4,875 rupees, what is the original selling price of the mobile? Mobile cost of 4,875. What is the original selling price of the mobile? Original selling price of the mobile is equal to 4875 into 100 upon 100 minus 725. This is equal to 4875 into 100 upon 75. This solve is 6500. Well, that is 6,500 rupees, the original selling price of the mobile. The correct option is C. Now this correct option. Next 35. Next question number 35. A 225 meter long train is running at a speed 30 km per hour. How much time does it take to cross a man running at 3 km per hour in the same direction? The time T is equal to, now this question number 35, time T is equal to 225 meter divided by sum of the relative speed 30 minus the relative speed 30 minus 3. This is the relative speed is equal to V minus V1 minus V2 and this meter and 5 upon 18, this meter 18, which is equal to 225 into 18 divided by 27 into 5. This 5 4 ja 20 and 5 5 ja 25, 9 3 ja 27 and 9 5 ja 49 and this 3 6 ja 18 and this into this is equal to 30 seconds. The correct option B. Now next question 36. Which one among the following is the largest? The option 36. The correct option of the B. Question 37. The difference between the simple and the compound interest on a certain sum of money at 4% per annum in 2 years, 10 rupees. What is the sum? What is the sum? The simple interest and compound interest. This is the compound interest minus simple interest, which is equal to 10 rupees. This formula is P into 1 plus R upon 100. P is equal to P into 1 plus R is equal to 4% upon 100 to the power 2 minus 1 minus P into R into time divided by 100 is equal to 10. P common. This and this is the cancel. 26 upon 25 whole square minus 1 minus this and this is cancelled. 2 upon 25 is equal to 10. P 625 LCM. 26 square minus 625 minus 50 is equal to 10. Therefore, P is equal to 10 into 625 divided by 1. This is equal to 6,250 rupees. The correct option C. Next question 38. If A percent of A plus B percent of B is equal to 2% of A into B, then what percent of A is B? The relation. A percent, this is equal to 100 into A square plus B square upon 100 is equal to 2AB upon 100. This 100 cancel. A square plus B square minus 2AB is equal to 0. A minus B whole square is equal to 0. Therefore, A is equal to B. Then the percent of A upon B into 100, this is equal to 100%. The correct option of C. Now next question 39. 5 upon 9 part of the population in a village are males. If 30% of the males are married, the percentage of the unmarried females in the total population is. This solve 5 upon 9 into 30% upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 6. Women unmarried is equal to 1 minus 5 upon 9 is equal to 4 upon 9. Then unmarried women, the percent of unmarried females is equal to 4 upon 9 minus 1 upon 6 into 100. This is equal to 250 upon 9%. This solve is 27 whole 7 upon 9%. The correct option is C. Now next question 40. Sunil wants to spend 200 rupees on two types of sweets costing 7 rupees and 10 rupees respectively. What is the maximum number of sweets he can get so that no money is left over? This is a trial method. The cost of 7 rupees, the number of sweets is 20. 20 into 7 is equal to 140 rupees and the number of sweets is 10 rupees is 6 and this multiplied is equal to 60 rupees. The total cost of the sweets is 200 rupees. So therefore the number of sweets is equal to number of sweets is equal to 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. The correct option is B.